We're thrilled to have you join us on this exciting video. Are you ready to explore the world? We love to travel and see new places. It's about the adventure and the stories we create along the way. Packing for a trip can be stressful, though. We've all been there trying to fit everything into one suitcase. That's why we're excited to share our top 10 travel essentials. These items are game changers for any trip. These are the things we never leave home without, and they've saved us from many a travel mishap. From gadgets to comfort items, we've got you covered. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting out, these essentials will help make your journeys smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Trust us, you'll thank us later. So sit back, relax, and get ready for some travel tips. Let's make your next adventure the best one yet. Okay, first up is travel insurance. It's one of those things you hope you never need, but you'll be so glad you have it if something goes wrong. We know it's not the most exciting thing, but it's essential for peace of mind. You never know what might happen on a trip. Flight cancellations, lost luggage, even medical emergencies. These can turn a dream vacation into a nightmare. Travel insurance can save you a lot of headaches and money in the long run. It covers you for a range of issues, making your trip smoother. The relief of knowing you're covered is priceless. So before you go, do your research, compare different plans, and get yourself covered. It's a small step that can make a big difference. Next up, a first aid kit. This is a must-have for any traveler. Pack a small bag with essentials like bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any personal medications you take. You don't need to go overboard, just the basics. It's always better to be safe than sorry, right? Let's be real, airport food can be expensive and, well, not always the healthiest. Packing your own snacks is a great way to save money and avoid getting hangry on long journeys. We bring things like granola bars, nuts, and dried fruit. They're easy to pack and keep us going until we can find a good meal. Long flights or bus rides can be brutal on your neck and back. A good travel pillow can make all the difference. There are so many different types out there. So find one that suits you. We prefer the inflatable ones because they're easy to pack. Trust us, your neck will thank you later. In today's world, we rely on our phones for everything. Navigation, communication, entertainment. The last thing you want is for your phone to die in the middle of nowhere. A portable charger is a lifesaver, especially during long travel days. Make sure it's fully charged before you leave and you'll be good to go. Staying hydrated is crucial when you're traveling, especially if you're in a hot climate. Carrying a reusable water bottle is not only good for your health, but it's also good for the environment. Just fill it up at the airport or your hotel and you're good to go. This one might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people forget their essential travel documents. Before you leave, double check that you have your passport, visa if required, and any other necessary documents. We like to make copies of everything and keep them separate from the originals, just in case. When you're exploring a new place, you'll likely be doing a lot of walking. That's why comfortable shoes are an absolute must. We pack good pairs of walking shoes or sneakers. Break them in before your trip to avoid blisters. Packing toiletries might seem like a no-brainer, but it's easy to forget something. Pack a small bag with essentials like toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, shampoo, conditioner, and sunscreen. You can find travel-size versions of most products. Weather can be unpredictable, especially when you're traveling to different climates. Packing clothing layers allows you to adjust to different temperatures. We bring a mix of short-sleeved shirts, long-sleeve shirts, pants or shorts, a jacket, and a scarf. So there you have it, our top 10 travel essentials. From the must-have gadgets to the little comforts that make a big difference, these items are sure to enhance your travel experience. We hope you found these tips helpful and that they make your next trip even better. Remember, packing smart can make your trip smoother and more enjoyable, saving you time and stress. What are your must-have travel essentials? We'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions. Share them in the comments below. Let's create a community of well-prepared travelers. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and adventures. Until next time, happy travels. See you in the next video.